Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptopia. We hear a word blockchain a lot nowadays, but what is a blockchain? How does it work? Chain is the series of different blocks that contain the same information. This technique was first adopted by Satoshi Nakamoto to create the first digital currency, Bitcoin, in 2009. Blockchain is a public ledger. Once the data is recorded on it, it is nearly impossible to change it. What is a block? A block is a basic container of data in the chain. Each one contains three basic elements: the data, the new hash, and the hash of the previous block. The data depends on the type of blockchain. For example, a cryptocurrency blockchain stores the details of transactions, that is, the sender, the receiver, and the number of coins transferred. The hash is a personal identity of the block, which is a unique combination of alphabets and numbers. And the same data will always generate the same hash. So even a minor change in data will cause a change in the hash. The third element is the hash of the previous block. This is what makes it a part of the blockchain and unchangeable. Let's assume there are three blocks in a blockchain. Each block has a hash and the hash of the previous block. Block C contains block B's hash and block B contains block A's hash. The first, or the genesis block, is special because it doesn't have the data from the previous block, because it's the first block in the chain. Let's say if someone wants to alter the data on block B, it changes the hash of the block as well. And immediately block C and all of the following blocks will become invalid because they no longer identify the hash of the aforementioned block. Here, I tried to simplify the concept as much as possible. For the beginners, I hope it helped.